Prudence Interactive presents.
Can't wait to get your hands on Glory Frontline? Let's start by learning the basic controls of the game. First, you'll need to hold your phone horizontally. The phone screen is primarily divided into two main sections. The left area controls movement, while the right area handles actions such as shooting, reloading, and switching weapons. On the left side of the screen, swipe upward to move forward and swipe downward to move backward. Swipe left and hold to continuously turn your view to the left, or swipe right and hold to keep turning your view to the right. If you want to move left, first turn your view toward the desired direction by swiping and holding left, then swipe upward to move forward. On the right side of the screen, tapping fires a shot, while holding it down triggers continuous fire. In the game, you can use three types of guns. You can switch between them by swiping left or right on the right side of the screen, and swipe upward on the same side to reload.
Pistol 5.6. Shotgun 3.8 ammo.
These three types of guns have different effective ranges. For example, pistols have a shorter range, while rifles can hit targets at much longer distances. So, if you're using a pistol and the enemy is too far away, your bullets will miss the target, like this.
Assault and
To use a grenade, swipe diagonally down to the right and then diagonally up to the right on the right side of the screen, forming a V shape. To use a medkit and restore health, swipe diagonally up to the left and then diagonally down to the left on the right side, tracing an inverted V shape. This covers the control gestures for Glory Frontline's multiplayer mode. Have you mastered them yet? The game will hold a large-scale testing event in June. You can search Glory Frontline on search engines to visit our official website. To stay updated, welcome to click the corresponding buttons on the site to join our Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord communities.